everyone, it's Jill, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet potato, cranberry, and marshmallow bake. Perfect for all of your holiday casseroles, perfect side dish, and they're great for leftovers. Hey, if you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're always adding new recipes for you, simple and easy to do. If you want to be part of Kids Baking Club, we send baking kits all over the country because we want kids to be engaged with fun activities where they're learning new life skills, and all of our baking kits include recipes, the baking tools, the baking lessons, and some online tutorials that are just so much fun. It's Happy Mail that we send. All right, let me show you this recipe, and don't forget to like this recipe so it shares it with other people. All right, let's get started. So first what we need to do is to take our sweet potatoes, wash them, and then we need to peel them with a vegetable peeler. Then using a knife, you're going to cut your sweet potatoes into small cubes. Now we're going to put the cubes in a dish that's been coated with butter or oil. And now's the fun part. We're going to pour the butter over the sweet potatoes and mix it really well. Then we're going to add the brown sugar and cinnamon and make it nice and delicious. Now we're going to put 1 stick of melted butter over. This will help it bake in the oven. And you just want to toss that. Then take 3/4 cup of brown sugar and just bring that to the top here. Don't stir yet. And sprinkle over 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now stir. Okay, now that it's all stirred, you can add your cranberries. Now you're going to scatter your cranberries over the top and just give it a little stir. It goes into a 400-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. And now we're going to put our casserole into the oven for 40 minutes. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Now that the sweet potatoes are out of the oven, we're going to sprinkle on some marshmallows, pop them back in the oven for 5 minutes just to get them a little toasty and melted, and then bring it out to serve. Now, we're not going to cover this with all marshmallows like you might see in some other recipes. The reason is we want the color. We want people to see that orange from the sweet potatoes and the red from the cranberries and the white from the marshmallows. It's going to make a beautiful presentation on your table. So we're just going to sprinkle a little bit over, just so everyone gets a little bit of a marshmallow taste. Kind of like that sweet and sour from the cranberries. And this is going to go back in the oven for 5 minutes. And thanks for joining me today. I cannot wait for you to make this recipe. It's really so simple and so delicious. It turned out so beautiful. And if you want this recipe to print, just go to kidsbakingclub.com, click the blog, and find this recipe, and you are getting ready to wow the people that you share this with. We'll see you next time.